In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist a domain in Google Workspace Admin Console, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to allow messages from a trusted domain to bypass Gmail's spam filters for your organization. A quick reminder before we start, only allow domains you truly trust. Whitelisting reduces filtering and can let unwanted mail through if used carelessly, so follow these steps thoughtfully. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with an account that has administrator privileges. On the home screen, open Apps. From there, choose Google Workspace and then select Gmail. This brings you into the Gmail service settings for your organization. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Spam, Phishing, and Malware. This is where Google centralizes the advanced protections for mail, including the option to create exceptions for senders you trust. Open that section. If you haven't set anything up here before, click Configure. If a configuration already exists, click Edit to modify it, or add another to create a dedicated rule just for this whitelist. Keeping separate rules can make future troubleshooting easier and helps you avoid accidentally changing other protections. When prompted to name the setting, give it a clear descriptive name like bypass spam filters. Pick something your team will recognize later, especially if multiple admins manage email policies. Clear names make it easy to find, audit, and update these settings over time. Next, you'll see the option to use existing list or create or edit a list. Choose an existing allow list if you already maintain one. Otherwise, create or edit a new list and enter the domain you want to allow in a simple format like example.com. Do not include the @ symbol. Adding a domain here applies to every sender at that domain. If you need finer control, you can maintain multiple lists or rules, but keep changes minimal and documented to avoid confusion. As a best practice, only add domains that implement proper email authentication, such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to reduce spoofing risks. Finally, save your changes. Google may take a short time to apply new settings across all users, and in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours. Once active, emails from the domain you allowed will bypass spam filtering according to your rule, while other protections remain in place. That's it. You've successfully set up a safe, trackable way to whitelist a domain in the Google Workspace Admin Console. Keep your allow list tidy, review it periodically, and you'll maintain both deliverability and security.